Good morning, grade 3. How are you? Our lesson today, distributive property of multiplication. What is the meaning of distributive property? Let's go with me to know it. What is the meaning of that? If I have array like that, look at all of the pictures, the bigger array I have here. How many rows? The row is sleeping 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Of how many columns? The column is standing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's 3 times 8. When I wanna to divide this picture to two parts, the first part or the first array now it will be 1, 2, 3. Yes. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will stop to the red line. It will be 3 times 5. And the second picture here, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. Of how many columns? 1, 2, 3. It will be 3 times 3. Its meaning here, when I look to this statement, I will find it 3 and 3 and 3. The row is constant number. I have the constant number on the row, and I will divide the 8 to the two parts. 5 plus 3. When you are make 5 plus 3, it's giving me, yes, it's giving me 8. The next example, complete. 6 times 12. How I can find this one? 6 times 12. In the table 6, I am stopped in 6 times 10. I will look to this 12. I can make decompose to this 12. It will be 10 and 1. I can write the 12, 10 plus 2. Yes, and I will use the distribution property now. 6 one time times 10 and another time 6 times 2. The next one, 6 times 10 equal 60. Excellent, right? And 6 times 2 equal, excellent, 12. And the sign between them, I will make distribution the times 6 times 2, 6 times 10 and 6 times 2. And get it the answer 60 and 12. The sign between them now is plus. 2 plus 0 equal 2 and 1 plus 6 equal 7. The answer will be 72. The next one, break apart the following power model. Use distributive property to complete the equation and find the product. What is the meaning of that? I have example like that. Look at this power model. I have here, what is the number? The number is 6. The 6 is repeated how many times here? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 6 times 9. Yes. If the row is 6, the number of row is constant. I will put it 6 here and 6 here. 6 times 9. Now I wanted to break the 9 to two numbers. The first part I will stop in the in the black line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. After the black line I have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. Now I will break it. The 9 2 will be 5 plus 4. Now I will use the distributive property. Once 6 times 5 and another one 6 times 4. Look at me in the next one here. 6 times 5 equal 30. X. 6 times 4 equal 24. How I can make plus them? 0 plus 4 equal 4. 2 plus 3 equal 5. The answer it will be 54. The next one, I will ask myself now, what is the number? The number is 8. The 8 is repeated how many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know the number of row is constant number. If you write the first here is 8, the second one here is 8. And I will break it now. The 6 it will be 2 numbers. Look at the black line. How many numbers before black line? It's 2. After black line, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. I will break it. The 6 it will be 6 plus 2 plus 4. Use the distribution property now. The distributive now it will be 8 times 2 and 8 times 4. 8 times 2 equal grade 3. Yes, right. Equal 16. 8 times 4, 32. Let's going to make the plus. 3 plus 6 equal 2 plus 6 equal 8. 3 plus 1 equal 4. The answer will be 48. Yes, 6 times 8 equal 48. Excellent, grade 3. The next one was me. What is the number now? The number is 9. The row is 9. It's meaning the row is constant number. It will be 9 again. Look at me in the column. How many columns? All of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7. I wanted to break it. The 7 it will be 2 numbers. Before the line I have 1, 2, 3. It will be 3. 3 plus after the line I have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. The distributive property, 9 times 3 equal. Distribution, 9 times 3 once and 9 times 4. Look at me now, 9 times 3 equal. Yes, right, excellent, 27. 9 times 4 equal 36. How I can make this plus? 6 plus 7 equal 13. 3 and carry up 1. The 3 will be 4. 4 plus 2 equal 6. The next one, this bar model. What is the number now? The number is 5. And the 5 repeated how many times? Let's count with me. The 5 repeated 8 times. The number of row is constant 5, then the row is 5 again. I wanted to break it, the 8. Look at the black line. How many numbers before it, the black line? 1, 2, 3, 3. After the black line, I have it how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The distribution property now, 5 times 3. And the second one, 5 times 5. 5 times 3 equal 15. 5 times 5 equal 25. How I can make plus between them? 5 plus 5 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. This 2 will be 3. 3 plus 1 equal 4. The answer it will be 40. Excellent, right? The final one. Yes, 5 times 8 equal 40. The next one. Use the distributive property to find the product. The first example, 9 times 7 equal 9 times what plus what? Now, the number of rows is 9. The number of columns is 7. I wanted to divide the 7 to will be 2 numbers. How? This 7, choose any number smaller than 7 grade 3. Okay, 2. This 2 want us to be back again, 2 will be 7. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers now? Look at your fingers. Yes, right, it's 5. I will make a divided to the 7. 2 will be 2 plus 5. Give me 7 again. Okay, I will use the distribution property now. 9 times 2 and 9 times 5. 9 times 2 equal 18 and 9 times 5 equal 45. Excellent. I want to make plus between them now. 5 plus 8 equal 3 and carry up 1. This 4 will be 5. 5 plus 1 equal 6. The answer it will be 63. This is the first way. I want this example with another way. How? Choose any number smaller than 7 except 2 or 5. Choose any number smaller than 7. Yes, okay, I will choose 6. This 6 wants to will be back again to will be 7. After 6, 7. How many fingers? 1. I will make divided to the 7. 2 will be 6 plus 1. I wanted to use a distributive property now. 9 times 6 and 9 times 1. 9 times 6 equal, excellent, 54. 9 times 1 equal, yes, right, 9. I wanted to make a plus between them now. I will take ones with ones. 9 plus 4 equal 13. 3 and carry up 1. This 5 will be 6. The answer it will be 63. 63 and 63. The two ways give me the same answer. The next one. Complete. 5 times 17. How I can do it this times? In the table 5, I will stop in 5 times 10. I will make decompose to the 17. How? The number of rows is 5. And I wanted to decompose the 17. This 17 will be 10 plus 7. How I can decompose 18? 10 plus 8. How I can decompose 15? 10 plus 5. That's okay. Now 5 times 10 equal 50. 5 times 7 equal 35. 5 plus 0 equal 5. And 8 and 5 plus 3 give me 8. The answer it will be 85. The next one. 6 times 15. The number of row is 6 and the number of column is 15. How I can decompose this 15? This 15 it will be 10 plus 5. The number of row is constant is 6 and I will decompose 15. It will be here 10 and in the other brackets it will be 5. 6 times 10 and 6 times 5. 6 times 10 equal 60. 6 times 5 equal 30. Excellent. 0 plus 0 equal 0. And 6 plus 3 equal 9. Thanks for your time, grade 3.